Okay, we're gonna make a plant life cycle flip book. If you can print this, then you'll have a sheet that looks like this. If you don't have a printer, this one's super easy just to make on your own out of a plain white sheet of paper. All you're gonna do is, we've made flip books like this before. We're gonna fold on this solid black line, and then we're gonna cut on these dotted lines. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, here's my example of it all folded and cut. I folded down the middle, and now I have all of my flaps that are cut so that when I open it, I can put information in. On the back, it does say, fold on the black line, cut on the dotted line, cut and paste the following plant life cycle pictures. We're not going to cut and paste any pictures. We are going to be drawing our own instead of cutting and pasting. So if I think about my plant life cycle that we did yesterday, that little chart where I moved the circles, the very first thing that happened on our plant life cycle was that we had to plant a seed. So I am going to draw a little seed and then write a little bit of information. I went ahead and filled out the first one for you. And over here, I drew a picture of a little seed, and I drew it planted inside the soil. And then I wrote, the seed is planted in the soil. And I know on the front it said first. We don't have to rewrite first because it's already on the front. So the first thing in our plant life cycle is that the seed is planted in the soil. Okay, next, I drew a little seed underground still, and this time I drew a little sprout coming out. So what I wrote was the seed grows into a sprout. It started to pop up. Then the plant grows a stem and leaves. And you can see my little picture over here has our ground, but now I have leaves on my stem, which have grown up. Okay. And then the very last thing is that the plant grows a flower. The flower makes new seeds. Here's my little flower over here, my stem and my leaves. The plant grows a flower. The flower makes new seeds. So you can use my sentences if you want, or you can come up with something that's sort of similar. But when it's all done, it will kind of look like this. Okay?